In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to wipe user activity with BCWipe. There is a longer process with more advanced settings. Now, in this video, we'll show you the quick and simple way. Open BCWipe Task Manager. Click on the User Activity tab. BCWipe automatically scans your system and third-party app service locations. Then displays the total amount of associated files and registry keys that potentially contain traces of your activity on that PC. Here are 5 examples. First, temp folder. The Windows temp folder is home to all the temporary files created by the operating system or third-party apps. Second, recycle bin. Files you delete can still be restored from the recycle bin. Even after emptying the recycle bin, the files remain on the hard drive and can be recovered. Third, Windows Explorer history. The files you open, commands you run, and items you search for can all be traced by analyzing the files and registry keys from this category. Fourth, recent folder. This folder contains links to all the files and folders you have recently opened. Fifth, other activity. This category incorporates all the other locations on your PC that can be exploited to recover traces of your activity in Windows or other applications. Let's start wiping. Click the Wipe button under each category one by one to start wiping. Click Start to begin wiping. Wipe the recycle bin in the same way. Next, wipe the Windows Explorer history. Here you can also choose to exclude further items from the list. Now wipe the recent folder. Next, wipe other activity. This category also gives you options to exclude further items from the list. Congratulations! You have successfully wiped your user activity with BCWipe. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.